filling up the basement. Yeah, just enough water to make it happen.
Oh, that makes that much difference?
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Yes, it does. Because a lot of times these people will say that you need...
Are you underwater?
No,
Oh,
there's water right here.
well, cobwebs or something.
Yep.
Okay.
A lot
So
of times,
stuff floating.
right. A lot of times people will say, you know, the cleanouts in the backyard, you don't need to get in, right? I'm like, oh, I might need water.
Yeah, yeah. A lot of cobwebs.
Yeah, there are.
Need to flush a few superchargers in there.
Okay, top of the drop.
That's it there, okay.
Yep. There she is.
Okay. Look at that Birmingham water, so clean.
Look at that. Yeah, that's right.
No floaters,
No
nothing.
Flint stuff here, baby.
Well, that's good. The pipe looked good all the way too, except
It
for this
really
8
does.
feet right out here.
Yep.
Okay,
It
good.
certainly does. So I'm going to bring it back to just,
Was it 70?
well, I'm going to bring it back to the top of the drop. I just want to locate it for them.
Oh,
Because
gotcha.
I just put it in every
Oh,
report.
outside.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, that's great.
I put it in every report just in case
Oh,
somebody
that's
ever
really
has an
good.
issue. You know, you just hold on to
Yeah.
it and then you have that information. So. There was a drop here, right?
Yeah, I think you're coming up, right? No, you're not. That's late.
That's kind of weird. Could have swore I went into a drop.
I saw it.
I did too.
245.
But you know what? It'll pick it up because it's all straight pipe right here. So it's not a problem. There it is. There's the drop.
There was a short drop.
That's right.
Really? I mean,
Very
it must
short.
just be dropped right into the
Yeah,
top.
that's not usual.
Cool.
Very good.